So you landed on this video because you heard that 7K Metals actually has an exchange group where you can actually sell your gold, silver, or precious metals back. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, my name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, currently silver rank in this company, and did it in record time. Yep, I did that in what, 3 weeks? We did 15 days. So I did that in 15 days. All right, so been awesome. And okay, so here's the thing. A lot of people probably wonder, I want to know, all right, I bought my precious metals, I got silver, I got gold, but how do I sell it back? Now, there's many different ways that you can sell it. You can sell it through a reputable dealer, gold and silver. You can always pawn it. Don't recommend doing that. They're not going to give you nowhere near what you paid for it, right? But if it's an emergency situation, you have to hurry up and liquidate. You can definitely take it to the pawn shop. But your better route would be probably selling or exchanging amongst people, like-minded people, you know what I mean? Because they're going to see the value. They're probably going to give you the best, bang for the buck, and vice versa, because they're going to want that as well. Also, a group like this comes in handy for when, let's say, you're getting a series, okay? And you're getting a series of coins, but the company ends up sending you maybe the same coin. That happened to me. I was getting a state series, and one of the months passed, and then they ended up sending me a state that I already had, okay? Happen to any of us. So when that happens, you end up with maybe the same coin. Maybe you want to just exchange it. You don't really want to sell it. You would want another coin of equal value, right? So why not exchange it with someone else that's in the same boat as you are? Maybe this person has a bunch of state coins. I have a bunch of state coins, but I have a double on one. He has a duplicate. Boom. We swap it out, and now we can continue moving on, collecting, and not having to be worried getting stuck with the same coin, right? So this group is perfect for that type of situation where you can sell or you can exchange. Make sense? All right, so let's dive in on how that's possible. So right here, as you can see, in our group, it's over 639 members currently. And look, you can sell all, like, the nice thing about this also, like, let's say you came in and you're new. Like a couple things could happen here. Like, for instance, you might have missed out on a series that you really wanted, like the Marvel series. I wish I would have been here when they had that. So I can reach out to customers or members that bought those in the past and are willing to sell them now in the present. Or like this one right here, they had did a coin drop, right? Now, I was really bummed about this. They had did this coin drop, and this would have been perfect for Valentine's Day. I could have gave it to my wife, but the coin drop instantly, when they did the coin drop, it instantly sold out. So it sold out in minutes, not hours, but minutes. So due to it running out, there's no more of these available. And now look, $300. And I believe when this was bought, I don't remember what the price was, but I know it was not $300. So now they're selling this one for $300, right? Okay, let's look at some of the other coins they got right here. Now look, you're like I said, you're able to get coins that you normally wouldn't be able to get. You know what I mean? So he's selling this one. Let's see what he's selling this one for. It looks like it says 1,500. It looks like it says 1,500. So yeah, like I said, so you see, you can even get top notch prices and offers. And look at some nice coins up in there. Look at this Doctor Strange one. Some nice coins. I like the packaging in that. And you can see lots of comments and people, probably interested in that coin, whatever. He's selling that one for 500. So you can see there's real prices in here too. It's just not just some, rinky-dink price. This one right here is 230, for this coin set. This one right here, the Animal Series, they want 250. Look here, I PM'd you. So people are responding. Plus, a lot of people probably go right to your inbox, so people can't see it. They're interested, and then hurry up and jump on it, things like that. 315 for that coin. Okay, look at this. This was actually one of my favorites right here that I wanted to get. So I actually might take this person up on this offer. $250 for this coin. It's an MS70. And what's nice about this coin is it has the Al Capone. You see it with a bullet in it. It actually has a bullet in the coin. So you see that bullet right there. It's enlarged. So that's pretty cool as an Al Capone coin. So I'm definitely probably gonna purchase that one if they haven't sold it already. Let me see. Would you like to trade Great White. Okay, so they're trying to actually trade for that Great White coin. That's another thing. Remember I said you can swap out. I'll probably just offer them what they want for that because I actually want that coin. All right, so then they had the Looney Tunes special right here. Okay, they're selling this one for 140. It's actually not a bad price. Okay, so basically, like I said, it's a group where you can actually sell the coins afterwards, and this is a good place, especially if you know, if you want to hurry up and get it off fast. Like, oh man, you know what? I need to hurry up and sell this, but I don't want to end up getting jacked for the price. Like, I don't want to sell it to somebody and get a super fraction of what I paid for it. See, people in this group, we're all collectors. We're all doing the same thing. So we see the value, we know the value, and we're gonna probably try to get the most value as well as pay the most, pay and not scoff at paying you for what you're asking because we know what it's like and we all in the same boat, you know. So look at this one right here. They actually, I think they sell a series. So, like I said, you get a lot of options, you know, to be able to really get some coins that you might have missed out on. I know I had missed out on quite a few nice ones by getting in when I did and not getting in, you know, years ago because I didn't know about it years ago. But, you know, I could have, man, I missed out on, like I said, some really cool coins, you know. So there go another person selling the Al Capone coin again. This one for $325. Okay, look at that whole coin. So look at the Marvel series. Nice, right? $200 each to $700 sold as a set. And you can get all four of these right here. So that's a good deal. So as you can see, like I said, this is a group that we have, and you know, by you being in 7K and a part of when you join, you're going to be have access to this group. Okay, our group is also moving at an alarming rate. You know, we've been growing, so I'm pretty sure soon we'll probably just start our own exchange group amongst our members, and we'll just be able to do the same thing, but it'll just be amongst us. You know, that way we can keep it kind of exclusive amongst the team, and then you know do best by ourselves. You know what I mean? We don't always need to. We don't need to rely on others, right? We always do for self, and that's why people join the elite because we do things at an elite level. All right, so just wanted to show you that, you know, what the exchange was all about and show you how you can take advantage of, you know, being able to sell back your coins, you know what I mean? If you're ever in a situation where, you know, you're like, look, I need to liquidate some, you know, and I really want to, you know, take advantage of this group to do so because, you know, you got like-minded people that probably buy from you and actually, you know, take you up on your offers. So thank you for, oh, look at that one. Nice. Gandhi coin. That's a nice coin. So as you can see, some nice coins in here too, right? That you can actually, you know, add to your collection. So definitely, if you're part of 7K Array, check out this group. It's called Associate Precious Metals Exchange. You're not going to be allowed in if you're not part of 7K, so don't waste your time. But if you are part of 7K, then definitely send a request and go ahead and go up in there, and you can use this to actually sell. So if you're ready to join 7K, you say, man, you know what? I've been following. I like what I see, and I'm ready to join. Then just hit the link below, godsmoney.co, and we'll get you in. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you get notified when I make these type of videos, and then you can stay in the loop. All right, man. I appreciate you. You know, until next time, right? Have a blessed day.